Hello everyone, today is April 10, 2026 and it's a beautiful day in Dallas. We decided to go for a ride in our bike to the construction area. Amaneció muy lindo hoy y nos vamos a la construcción a ver el avance. I don't know if you guys remember the last time. The footings, they pouring the footings already. They poured the footings. I think that's how they call. So vamos a ver en qué situación se encuentra ahorita, ya que se acabó de poner las zapatas. Se supone que tienen que poner el resto de las varillas para que se pueda acomodar para poner las paredes del basement o sótano. So it's supposed to now connect more rebar to the other part of the footings, right? So not to the footing. In the footings there is supposed to be rebar already, right? So to the river is going to go more river. So when they put forms, they're going to set it up forms. Forms is some kind of thing like a, what is the forms? It's like a planter? What is it called?
It's formed for a wall for concrete so that it doesn't run.
So it's some kind of walls. So they're going to put the concrete over there and the river is supposed to make it a strong walls. That's how this works. So we're heading there right now we are driving around our neighborhood, our future neighborhood. And so far we have a lot of the neighbors come out to us and they say hi and introduce themselves and let us know how is the neighborhood. They're also very nice and welcome us when we move there. So we're here right now. You see what I mean with the river? They connect the rest. It wasn't the footing and now it looks like a wall. So the next thing they're going to put the forms, so we'll be ready to bring more concrete to create the walls of the basement. So como ven ya pusieron más varillas que conectan las otras que estaban en las zapatas. So eso luego van a poner alrededor de eso, van a poner las formas, se le llama. Son como lo que va a sujetar cuando van a echar el resto del concreto para crear las paredes del sótano de la casa. Pues ahora se ve todo bien en este momento. Y ahorita que estamos en abril 10 del 2026, luego nos llega una lluvia. It will be a lot of rain after this. And we cannot do anything for a long time. So después de esto viene una lluvia terrible que creo que a finales de empezamos de luego como en mayo porque la lluvia no nos dejó hacer nada. So this is it. Now we're after we check all this, we're heading back to Dallas and our motorcycle. So wait for the next one. So in the next one, I think I have the forms ready and it's gonna be like 2 parts where they pour in the concrete. So we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Ciao. Subject post.
Get closer. No. Put it back. And put it on. Put it here and put it on.